slimiest guy himself. Thank you, Carol Barrel. Hey kids, and you are welcome to Slime Time, the messiest game show on Caleb TV. I'm your host, Guy himself. On this show, we give people an opportunity to win thousands of dollars and a fabulous prize. But if the game doesn't go so well, look out, because you can get slime. So let's get the fun on the roll. Carol, tell us who our first contestant is. Our first contestant is Dougie Jones.
That's me! Woohoo! That's me! Dougie Jones!
Now, Dougie, it's time to play Slime Time. Slime Time involves several rounds of intense gameplay. If you do well, you'll win prizes and money, not for yourself, but for everybody in this room.
All of
Everybody,
them?
wow.
Yes, all of them. But I'm going to give you a chance to win a prize just for yourself, right now.
You are?
I am. I want you to take a look at the box that Carol is bringing my way right now.
Wow, that's a big box. What's in it?
Could be gold.
Cool.
Could be money.
Oh boy.
It could even be some keys to a brand new car.
Yes.
So, Dougie, are you going to play the game that gives everyone a chance to win? Or instead are you going to play the game that you only get the prize? And the game just is.
I want what's in the box.
Carol Barrel, tell them what's in the box, please. It's slime.
Slime? Where's the keys to my brand new car? Where's the gold?
So I'm sorry, Dougie, but I guess you got a little too selfish. I think you did.
I want a new car.
You do? I guess you don't do it. Sometimes being selfish can lead to a slimy situation, and you just got slime.